Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel where we make your money make sense for you. Today we have an interesting and a very rewarding opportunity with one of the big airline companies in the United States. In fact, if not the biggest, Delta Airline. If you who has a great desire to become an airline flight attendant and you want to travel the world at the expense of someone else while making a great earning, well, we have that opportunity for you. Delta Airlines is hiring for a flight attendant. Let's get into it. To find this opportunity, you would go to Delta's career site and you want to search jobs and select flight attendant. A little bit about this opportunity. As I stated, Delta is a huge organization and known to pay well here in the United States. As you can see, the organization is global and they have over 300 destinations in 52 countries on 6 continents that they service. So to be recognized as a flight attendant with Delta will give you access to all of these countries as well as the continents. In terms of the ideal candidate, they want to let you know that they are very stable and a profitable company, and they will help you build your career, a lasting career with them. About the opportunity, what they want you to know is that they're looking for English-speaking flight attendants and also bilingual flight attendants. When you're completing the application, all the bilingual applicants have the option to apply for bilingual flight attendants, also known as the language of destination. You must be fluent in English and in another to be eligible for the bilingual flight attendant opportunity. So if you're not fluent in it and you're learning a language, this is not the particular opportunity for you. However, they are looking for English-speaking flight attendants as well. In terms of operations, you will be expected to work day and night as well as around the year. They have opportunities for all days because they are a fully 24/7, 365 operation. The flight attendants must be flexible and you must be able to work anytime. In terms of training, you have to be able to complete 7 consecutive weeks of training located in Atlanta, Georgia. During that time, you will receive a training wage and some meals, as well as lodging for those who live 25 miles outside of the city of Atlanta or the training facility. Once training is complete, flight attendants will report to their assigned base to join their 28,000 colleagues. So they have 14 bases across the United States, including Atlanta, Boston, Cincinnati, Detroit, Fort Lauderdale, Miami, Honolulu, Los Angeles, Orlando, Minneapolis, New York, Portland, Seattle, San Francisco, and Salt Lake City. They have many bases that you could actually work out of. Your key responsibilities, they want you to be able to practice safety conscious behaviors in all operational processes and procedures. So guys, you have to be a safety advocate in order to be successful in this role. They want you to provide exceptional customer service, which is understandable. All jobs, regardless of what you're doing, require customer service. They want you to be able to work independently and as part of a team. So there's a likelihood that you could be by yourself or with a lot of others. They want you to manage your unexpected changes in a time-sensitive and stressful environment. Manage questions and assist customers when necessary. Demonstrate the use of safety and emergency equipment and ensure safety requirements are met. They want you to be able to administer and coordinate emergency procedures or provide emergency care. Respond to and provide clear and accurate directions. Make decisions that addresses issues keeping in line with the Delta policies. So you can't just go off and create your own policies. You have to be aligned with the Delta policy. You want to prepare, serve, and sell beverages. At times you may be asked to assist customers with lifting and stowing luggage in overhead bins, and actively seek to ensure the safety and comfort of the customers. You should be able to regularly make public address and safety announcements in compliance with the company, and must be able to perform duties in changing environments. There are so many benefits when it comes to Delta Airline. They have a competitive salary, and they are the industry leading profit sharing program. and have performance incentives for those of you that perform well. There's a 401k with generous company contributions up to 9%. Paid time off, including vacations, holidays, personal time, maternity and paternity leave. They have a comprehensive health benefits program. They assist with family care assistance through fertility support, surrogacy, and adoption. They have a holistic well-being program to support physical, emotional, social, and financial health. You also would get domestic and international space available flight privileges for you and your eligible family members. There's career development programs, worldwide partnership programs. There's a business resource group created to connect employees with common interests. There's a recognition program for those of you that perform well. It's called the Unstoppable Together platform. And you have access to over 500 discounts, specialty savings, and voluntary benefits through Delta Perks. What you need to succeed in this role: you have to be eligible to work in the United States. You must be 21 years of age, have a high school diploma or GED, be able to speak, write, read, and understand English fluently. The ability to acquire and keep current passport and travel documentations to freely enter and exit places where Delta flies. So you could be on an international flight and you need that information. You have to complete a pre-employment Department of Transportation drug test and comprehensive background check, including fingerprinting and a criminal history record check. You have to be able to sit in an assigned jump seat with the seatbelt and shoulder harness fastened. The ability to open emergency exits and close aircraft doors. You must be able to lift up to 60 pounds and use a food beverage cart requiring 32 pounds of force when pushing or pulling it. You must be able to demonstrate that privacy is a priority when handling personal data. You embraces a diverse set of people, thinking, and style. You consistently make safety and security of yourself and others a priority. You have the ability to work flexible hours all times of the day, including weekends and evenings and holidays. Have the ability to stand frequently, walk frequently, bend, stoop, push, pull, reach, and lift. Your willingness to accept an assignment to any flight attendant. You have to have the flexibility to relocate or commute to and from the assigned base location and able to fly both internationally and domestic should you have to. You must be willing to change and adapt to meet the needs of the job. You must be willing to adhere to all corporate and divisional policies, including but not limited to Delta's candidate appearance requirements, which can be found on page 3. So there's a link there for you. If you want to know how do you have a competitive edge or how do you get the competitive edge, you have to have 1 or more years of experience with responsibilities similar to those of a flight attendant, and the completion of a degree beyond high school or GED is preferred, but not required. So don't get hung up there. If you believe that you can have the skills that are required to actually secure a job with Delta, or you have a burning desire to be a flight attendant and you know that you can do the job, by all means apply for the job. And it's never a no until the company tells you no. So go out there, seize the opportunity, apply for this job, and I'll see you in the friendly skies. I hope that this has been helpful for you. If not, please share it with someone that has a desire to become a flight attendant with a top carrier in the United States. Until next time,